Hello students, good morning to all of you. In the last class, we have learned about models, but our topic is remain. So now I am going to teach you the rest model. Our next model is wood. Use of wood. Wood is the past form of will. Wood is the past form of will. Wood is used to express the sense of future in past. Would express the sense of wish, willingness, invitation, polite request, past habit, preference, etc. Would is the past form of will. Would is used to express the sense of future in past. Would express the sense of wish, willingness, invitation, polite request, past habit, preference. Or we can say would is the past form will or shall. For example, for example, Mohit asked me if I go to Delhi next week. This sentence shows the sense of future in past because here is given second form of verb. So this is the past form of shall. So we use here with would, not will. Renu told me that she know her brother in the evening. This sentence also shows the sense of past and future, so we use here would. Gandhi spent 4 hours. Gandhi spent 4 hours. This sentence also shows the sense of past habit, so we use here would. Past habit. So we use here would. He often study till late at night. So this sentence also shows the sense of past habit. So we use here would. That I were a king. This sentence shows the sense of wish. If in English sentence, if the English sentence starts with that and it ends with exclamatory sign, so we always use would. Such sentence shows the sense of wish, that he were the Prime Minister of India. This sentence also shows the sense of wish. So in this sentence we also use would. You like to come with me. This sentence shows the sense of willingness. So in this sentence we use would. You open the door, please. This sentence shows the sense of polite request. So in this sentence, polite request. So in this sentence we use would. But if there is given will, then we may use here will. Because will is the present form or past, would is past form of a will. So we use here will or would, both are right. Die rather than beg. This sentence shows the sense of preference. So in this sentence we use would. These are some rules of a would. Now I am going to tell you about the next model. Our next model is used to. Used to. Use of used to. Use of used to. Used to is used to express the sense of past habit or a thing which existed in past. We may use it in the place of would, because would also express the sense of a past habit. For example, before marriage he drink a lot. This is the past habit of he. Now he has given up this habit, so we use here used to. He sit here for hours and the trains. So this sentence also says the sense of past habit. So we use here use to. A fair to held in this ground every year. This sentence says the sense of past existed, so we use here use. So we can say that used to is always used in to express the sense of past habit or a thing which existed in a past. Now I am going to tell you about the next model, dare. 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 Use of dare. Dare is both a regular verb or modal. There is both a regular verb or modal. It means venture. It means venture. It means venture. There is used in interrogative and interrogative or negative sentence in the form of modals. It is never used as a modal in affirmative sentence. There is always used in interrogative or negative sentence. For example, you catch a lion by its tail. So this is interrogative sentence. This sentence shows the sense of venture. So in this sentence we use dare. How you insult me. So this sentence also shows the sense of venture and it is an interrogative sentence. So we use here dare. A child go into a dark room at night. This is a negative sentence because a child has absence of fear. Dare shows the sense presence of fear or absence of fear. So this sentence shows the absence of fear, absence of courage. So in this sentence we use dare. I enter the principal office. So this sentence also shows the absence of courage. So we use here daren't. So we use dare only in negative or interrogative sentence. We never use in affirmative sentence. Now I am going to tell you the last model. Our last model is need. Need. of need. Need is also a regular verb, and need is also a regular verb and modal. Need means necessity. Need is used to express the sense of necessity or compulsion in interrogative and negative sentence. Dare and need both are used in interrogative and negative sentence. These are not used in affirmative sentence. If there is in affirmative sentence need and there, then it is called a regular verb. For example, you run so fast. You run so fast. This sentence shows the sense of necessity in interrogative sentence. So we use here need. Need you run so fast. You speak so loudly. So this sentence also shows the sense of necessity in interrogative sentence. So we use here need. It has stopped raining. It has stopped raining. You take an umbrella. This sentence shows the absence of necessity because it has stopped raining. So we use here needn't. These are some rules of our models. I hope I have taught you all models and I hope you have learned well. Thanks. Have a nice day.